Hey guys, a little tip on replacing your rear hub if you guys pull the wires out of it, like you can see we did here as we were driving down the road. Got another rear hub here. All I need to do is pull this piece out, replace it with this guy right here, and then we'll be good to go. Problem we're running into is the screws are so tight. They're almost like hermetically sealed in there. So what I'm doing is, got a little bit driver here, taking the bit out of it, and then I'm putting the bit into where it goes, but it won't quite fit. So the trick here is to take a hammer. You're gonna wanna tap it a few times. That's gonna break up and get the paint off the edges, and then that's going to allow you to get in there and break that free without stripping it. You got to have the special bit that's got the little hole in the middle of it, otherwise you're not going to be able to get it in there, and it's going to have to go in pretty darn far to catch and do what you want it to do. So make sure as you're looking at that and as you're working with it, you got the one that's got the center punch in there, because you can see the little tit right in the middle of that, and you use something that's got that little hole in it. I get a kit. This is a cobalt, and this is the set of tips that it has in there. This is where is that? This is the one that I'm using right here. It's a T20 120, so that's what you're going to need to do that. Good luck with yours. If you have a problem with it, I couldn't find anybody that would do the work, so I'm just doing the work myself on it. So hope that helps.